Hello everyone. So the point of this video is I want to show you guys how to access your small groups Canvas pages. So as you know, your presentations are coming up this week, and you guys actually have a pretty cool tool available to you so that you guys can work together outside of class. And so the purpose of this video is to show you how to access that page. So to get to your groups, your individual groups Canvas pages, you come here to this tab called People. When you click on that, it'll take you to the class roster, and you'll have this tab up here that says Community Creation of Knowledge Project. You click on that, and you'll see the groups here. So for me, because I'm the teacher, it shows all the groups here. I think when you guys log in, you'll only have your group available here. You won't be able to see the other groups. And so basically what this is, I'm going to use group 1 as an example. I'm not going to show you their names, but I'm going to use group 1 as an example. Next to your group number, you're going to have this little wheel here. So when you click on that, this first tab here says Visit Group Homepage. And you click on that, and now you are in your small groups Canvas page. And you have several different things available to you here. You have the People tab there. I'm not going to click on that because I'm not going to show you their names. Announcements. Some groups in the past have liked to use announcements in order to plan, for example. You can make an announcement, a title, add something in, and so sometimes people will try to set up their meeting times here, right? And you can do that, and then the rest of your group members can reply to you. That's how some people have used the announcement pages in the past. Pages, I don't think you're ever going to really need to use for this. You can if you want to, but I don't think it's just like kind of the content pages that I use in my course. You might find a need for that, but I don't think I've ever had a group yet that's needed that for anything. Discussions. This one actually gets used quite a bit by a lot of the groups. Each of your groups is going to have its very own discussion board. So when you come to your group's Canvas page, you guys can start discussions with each other. You just click on this button up here on the top right that says Add Discussion, and you can add in a topic. You can kind of write out what you want. Allowing threaded replies, that means I actually suggest clicking on that if you guys start a discussion board, because what that does is that allows, like, say you post something on this discussion board and then someone replies to you, and then another group member wants to reply to the person who replied to you. Threaded replies allows them to do that, and so I suggest clicking on that, and if you want, you can allow liking and things like that. And then and so you guys have this available to you. You also have file sharing. For your third presentation, you guys are going to share those autobiographies with each other. This file sharing is usually kind of the most common place where people like to upload this. It's a very centralized location where you all can share documents with each other and kind of work together that way. You also have conferencing. You could do video and just voice conferencing, and you have this available to you. This is a good option for people if you ever have to meet outside of class. You can and someone can't make it, you can add them in on a conference. You can enable recording. You can click no time limit. I actually kind of suggest that if you think yours is going to run long. Type, you only have one option there, and then invite all group members, or if maybe just one person can't make it, then you would just click on that. So and so that you can use this to sort of, even if you can't meet face to face, to just talk with each other. And then you have collaborations, and collaborations, like you see here, you have Google Docs, right? So collaborations allows you, if you guys ever have to type up a common document, right? So for like your second presentation, you guys are going to have to develop a collective sort of definition for your assigned concept, and you're going to have to teach it to the class, but you're also going to have to make it available to the rest of the class for them to refer back to later. And so Google Docs can be a way for you to work together on one document from different places. So like you can all be at home and be working on this same document from your own like personal computers, right? So this is the other tool that you have available to you. And I highly suggest using this, and I highly suggest using your group's Canvas page. It offers a very centralized location for you all to work together when you need to outside of class. You do get the whole Tuesday to work on your presentations together, but you might find that you need to finish something up, or you still need to work out a few things and might not be able to find the time to meet face to face. The group's Canvas page will really allow you guys to continue working together even if you can't meet one-on-one. So this is how you access your page. Let me know if you have any questions about this, about how to access it, or about how to utilize any of the functions here. I'm happy to answer any of your questions.